This 3/8 of an inch outer diameter black nylon tubing with a length of 10 feet, an inner diameter of 1/4 of an inch and a wall thickness of 1/16 of an inch has an operating pressure rating of 225 psi. It will flow water, methanol or air and can handle temperatures of -4 Fahrenheit to 248 Fahrenheit. Comes with 1/4 of an inch and 1/8 of an inch NPT compression fittings manufactured to the highest standards made of premium brass. Ideal for air horn systems and many other suspension applications.